So a fuel cell is an electrochemical engine. So in a typical internal combustion engine, you take the fuel in, you burn it, use the expansion of the gases to generate work. In a fuel cell, we actually directly convert the chemical energy in the hydrogen fuel directly to electricity in a process similar to how a battery generates electricity. The difference with a fuel cell to a battery is that we have a fuel tank, and so we can decouple the power or the acceleration rate of the vehicle from its range by changing the size of the fuel tank we need. And so that's one of the advantages for fuel cells for larger vehicles. We increase the range by just increasing the fuel tank. We don't need a bigger fuel cell. What happens inside a fuel cell is hydrogen enters in one side and air with oxygen enters the other side. The hydrogen splits into protons and electrons, and the electrons go through the external circuit and power, say, a motor, or it could be a laptop or a cell phone, whatever needs electrical power. And then on the other side of the fuel cell, it meets up with the oxygen and the protons that were generated on the other side to produce water. And so that's the emission from the fuel cell, is just water at that point. And so that's one of the nice advantages. Instead of any particulate emissions or greenhouse gas emissions, it's the water emission there.